I do?
I think so.
Yeah, I do. Thank you, sir.
All right, guys, we are rolling. Get rid of the team board. Freshen up our fingers with the alcohol swabs, or whatever the fuck. And we're good to go. Ladies and gentlemen, a half case of Optic Hobby. You see the other half case back there, guys. That's going to be the next break. It's already back there. It's ready to roll.
Grab your teams now, guys, for next break. Let's get it going. Let's fill that one quick.
Oh, yeah. All right, here we go, guys. Good luck to everybody. Good luck to everybody. Let's pull some bangers. These packs are shattering. Okay, here we go. Looks like we got some backwards cards here. Good old Panini. Quality control. Demetrius Knight. And then we got a rookie recruits of Jalen Milroe. Dylan Sampson and Alfred Collins on the hollow rated rookie for the 49ers. Oluwafemi Oladejo, and for no reason, we have an upside down Zach Ertz. This is a nice red color match here. This one's numbered to 149, going to the Commanders. Trey Harris and best tutties, Jaden Daniels, Terry McLaurin. Okay. Think we got a laser right here. Looks like maybe a pink laser.
I want sharks with freaking laser beams attached to their freaking heads.
Yeah, we got two pink lasers here. Nice. Tyler Shuck and Vernon Davis. Vernon Davis on your pink laser, numbered to 99, going to the 49ers. Trevor Etienne. Base pack. KLS. Another base pack. Riley Leonard and Hunter Henry. Hunter Henry. Pink laser, numbered to 99, going to the Patriots.
Okay.
What do you say?
Oh. Hunter Henry, anytime touchdowns looking. Either him or AJ Barner has to score this week. They've been not scoring the past few weeks.
Elijah Arroyo. Ooh, nice. Chimere DK on the red rated rookie, number to 149, going to the Titans. Andrew Makuba and Aaron Rodgers. Gotta love how these cards are just willy-nilly just thrown in there any old way. Upside down, backwards, doesn't matter. To 299, going to the Steelers. Got Ty Felton, and then a primary colors, Quinshon Judkins. Jimmy Horn Jr. and Jonathan Taylor. Yeah, Musical Horn, we just started. You didn't miss much. This is the first box still. We got another one with a lot of veteran color. Robbie Oots, Savior Worthy on the play action. Matthew Golden, Oluwafemi Oladejo, another number one for the Titans. This one is to 349. Tyleek Williams, Isaiah Likely. Andres Borregales and Ty Felton. All right, Ty Felton, orange rated rookie to 299 for the Vikings. like we got some kind of patch coming.
Should be RPA.
Hopefully.
Or just a thick auto card.
That would be nice too. I think we got a Pandora here, and yeah, we got some sort of thickie. All right, so we got Dylan Gabriel. Show me. All right, Jalen Waddle. Jalen Waddle on the Black Pandora, numbered to 25, going to the Dolphins. We'll put that up. That'll be our first card up on the stage today. We got Colston Loveland. We got Jalen Ramsey. Jalen Ramsey, also for the Dolphins. This one is numbered to 349. Kyle Williams. Maxwell Hairston. This looks like a Contenders Optic. Contenders Optic auto here. What do we got? Rams. Wow, nice.
Wow.
Puka Nacua on the perennial Contenders. Numbered to 99. Going to the Rams. Who's got the Rams? McGilla. On the divvy, I think. Right?
Gorgeous card.
Fantastic.
On card.
Yeah, that's pretty sick. All right, that's one box, guys. That's one box.
You. Make sure you guys are grabbing your teams in that next break, guys.
Yeah, guys, get
We'll
in
be
there,
running
baby.
that right after this break.
We got electricity here. Arian Smith. Jaden Daniels. Nice color match here. Numbered to 149. Going to the Commanders. Take that. Nick Scorton. Omarion Hampton. Xavier Worthy to 349 for the Chiefs. Jalen Milroe. And nice. Malik Neighbors on the electricity. This one's numbered to 75. Going to the Giants. Giants is Frost. I'll put that one up too. Let's go. Who won the Browns divvy? It was J-Beer. Another Pandora, it looks like. Ewers. Oh, nice.
Wow.
Primary colors, Black Pandora, Cam Ward. Numbered to 149. Going to the Titans, and damn. There you go, damn. Put him up. Mitchell Evans. Jahmyr Gibbs on the nice blue color match to 349. Torrey Horton. Kyron Williams. Terrence Ferguson, Maxwell Hairston, hollow-rated rookie for the Bills. Yeah, that hit for the Titans is nice. Another pink laser here. Kalal Mullings. Bang! Teteroa McMillan on the pink laser rated rookie, numbered to 99, going to the Panthers. Let's go. Shadur Sanders, passing grade Quinn Ewers. Maxwell Hairston, James Lofton. We got Cam Scattaboo and Dylan Sampson on the purple rated rookie, numbered to 60, going to the Browns. That's nice. Lime green.
Let's go.
Got lime green to 50 here. Here we go. Kyle Williams, best tutties, Kittle and Purdy. Alfred Collins and James Cook. James Cook on the lime green, numbered to 50. Going to the Bills. Put him up. Dante Thornton. We got Diamond Hands, Larry Fitzgerald. Savion Williams. Flex emoji. We got Jazz. We got a pink laser. We got Jazz here. Olufemi Oladejo. KLS. Keandre Lambert-Smith on the SSP. Jazz SSP rated rookie for the Chargers. Trevor Etienne. Ooh, nice. Devin Neal on the hollow rated rookie auto. Numbered to 199. Going to the Saints. Saints is Cody. Let's go. We'll put him up. Dylan Gabriel. Chuba Hubbard on the pink laser. Numbered to 99 for the Panthers. Colston Loveland and Jeff Garcia on the flex emoji for the 49ers to 199. Jeff Garcia. All right, that's 2 boxes, guys. This is box number 3. Got another flex emoji. Guys, get your teams in the next break, guys. Second half of the case is in the shop right now. Oh, God. Gold vinyl.
No.
We got gold vinyl. We got gold vinyl.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
We got gold vinyl.
Buckle up, guys.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I think this might be a gold vinyl Rookie Kings or a Sunday Kings or something.
Really?
I think so. It's something.
Let's freaking go.
Oh, my God. All right, guys, here we go. We got Will Johnson. We got David Njoku to 349 for the Browns. Oh, what is this here? Base. Okay, very good. Jackson Hawes. We got a flex emoji of Jonnu Smith, Arthur Smith's favorite player of all time. Number to 199, going to the Steelers. Base. Emeka Ibuka. Base. All right, let's do this. Normally, I would sweat this till the end of the box here, but it's a rookie. I think it's a Rookie King, guys. That's Rookie Kings, right? That's Rookie Kings. Holy shit. Good luck, everybody. Abdul Carter! 1 of 1!
Oh, my God.
Gold vinyl Rookie Kings, Frost and the Giants paid.
Wow.
Abdul Carter, gold vinyl 1 of 1. God damn. I knew we were looking for that gold vinyl. I told you guys I was due for a gold vinyl. I've been saying it for 2 days. Never wrong, just early.
Beautiful card.
Wow, dude. You definitely are going to want to take a picture of that one and send it to the boys.
Yeah, 100%.
This one's going in. All my boys love a gold vinyl. Devin Neal, Jaden Blue on the hollow rated rookie. Jackson Dart, Cam Ward on the retro. Those retros do look very cool. Pat Bryant. Cracked ice. We got Mason Graham, and our cracked ice is, wow, look at this. Eli Manning. Eli Manning on the cracked ice, number 2 on the print to 15. That was a Giants box. Or this is, I should say, a Giants box. Sheesh.
He does, user. I agree. Every break Eli comes out.
Yeah, man. Last time it was a Black Pandora. This time it's a Cracked Ice. He has a courtesy of coming up every time. Jordan Watkins, Rich Gannon, Tez Johnson, Oluwafemi Oladejo. This guy comes out a ton to $2.99. Malachi Starks, Patrick freaking Mahomes to $2.49 for the Chiefs. May as well put Mahomes up. James Pierce. We got a Luther Burden on the hidden potential. Remember that time we pulled the 1/1 Abdul Carter Rookie Kings? Remember that?
Yeah, man.
That was a fun time. P. Moore, I couldn't agree more, dude. Which is why, guys, you have to be getting into that next half of the case. You have to be getting into that next half of the case. We do want to run that today. Jaden Higgins and David Njoku. We got Jahad Campbell and Greg the Leg, number to $2.99. Jahdae Barron and a Black Pandora, Malik Neighbors chain reaction. The Giants are absolutely feasting right now. Frost. Holy smokes.
Let's go, G-Men.
Serious. Trevion Henderson. We got Michael Williams to $3.49 on the rated rookie. Flex emoji. Okay.
Yes, it is, B-Domp. That's a 101 gold vinyl. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! We're not done yet.
No, man. This is we're not even halfway through the break, guys. Travis Hunter on the rated rookie auto, numbered to 350, going to the Jaguars and Profit. What's up, Profit? Let's go, baby.
On card.
On card. Derek Harmon. Our flex is Jordan James. Flex rated rookie, number to 199 for the 49ers. Damian Martinez. Bijan Robinson to 249 for the Falcons. Kyle McCord. Saquon Barkley on the My House for the Eagles. All right. Put Devin Neal up there. We'll put Travis Hunter down there. All right, guys. That is officially halfway. We still have 3 boxes left. Is what Sanders? There's no Sanders up here right now. We got an Abdul Carter gold vinyl 1/1 Rookie Kings. It's the Abdul Carter gold vinyl 1/1 Rookie Kings.
This is freaking gorgeous. Whew.
Huge card. I mean, I think there's a big chance. There's a decent chance that card is bigger than whatever downtown comes out of this box. This case, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
There's a decent chance that's the case hit right there, even with the downtown still coming. Another flex emoji. Here we go. Swessinger. Whoops. All right, DJ Giddens, rated rookie. Kenneth Grant on the flex emoji for the Dolphins to 199. Tommy Mellett, Dalton Schultz, orange to 299 for the Texans. Jalen Knoll. Another electricity here. Mike Green, Trevor Lawrence to 349 for the Jags. Caden Prather, Will Howard on the rookie recruits. Will Howard again. Matthew Golden on the hollow rated rookie for the Packers. Luther Burden and Tua. We got Tua on the electricity, numbered to 75, going to the Dolphins.
This is a nice card. This T1 color match card.
Yeah, it came out nice.
That's nice.
We got another thickie. It looks like maybe another thick auto here. One of those Optic ones. Or Contenders, I mean. Contenders Optic. Let me get one more here. All right, here we go. Got Jaden Blue and TJ Hawkinson. Harold Fannin. Bucky Irving on the red color match. This one is to 149 bucks. That's nice. Taj Brooks. We got Jameis Winston on the retro. Tedero McMillan, and it's a rookie, whatever it is. Nick Scorton. Nick Scorton on the dynamic RPA. Numbered to 35. Going to the Panthers. Not bad. Not bad at all. Nick Scorton. I'll put that up.
These are true Optic RPA.
Yeah. You don't see those a lot.
Oh, shit. Oh, that's good.
What'd you say?
Oh, they're gonna have to pull it up, figure it out themselves.
Here we go. Walter Nolan, Cam Chancellor. Ollie Gordon, Penix, orange to 299. Graham Mertz, Omarion Hampton on the primary colors. Abdul Carter and Trevor Etienne, blue to 249. All right, it looks like a gold. We got a gold here. It's either a gold or a Steeler. I think it's a gold. We got Michael Williams. It's a rated rookie. Come on, baby. Come on. Gold auto. Jalen Lane on the gold rated rookie auto on card. 10th on the print to 10. Going to the Commanders and Kevin. That's a massive hit. I mean, Jalen Lane, all right, but still nice.
They used them a lot this year.
Yeah, he's still got a future in front of him. Jalen Royals. We got Robbie Oots on the purple to 60 for the Seahawks.
That's nice.
Jarquez Hunter. Greg Rousseau to 349 for the Bills. Tyler Warren. Tutties. Caleb and Rome. All right, guys. 2 boxes left now. 2 boxes left. 2 boxes left. Let's get it going. We have any more teams coming down in the second half? Guys, get in that second half here. Get in that second half. We got more backwards cards here. backwards cards. TJ Sanders and Alvin Kamara on the orange to 299 for the Saints. And we got backwards. Okay. Trey Amos, captain in charge, Max Crosby. Josh Downs, RJ Harvey, Mitchell Evans on the hollow rated rookie for the Panthers. There he is, Jalen Lane again. Steven Jackson. This is a nice little color match here. Steven Jackson to 249 for the Rams. Tedero McMillan, Colston Loveland on the retro. Mike Green, Greg the Leg. Caden Prather, Sam Darnold. Sam Darnold, future NFL Super Bowl MVP to 349 for the Seahawks. Jalen Knoll. Flex emoji. Put the Super Bowl MVP up.
Color match. Nice.
It is. All right, we got pink. We got flex. Kenneth Grant. Bunch of backwards cards. Derek Harmon. Oh, nice. Omarion Hampton on the base rookie auto to 350. Going to the Chargers. Nice.
Guys, these teams for next break should be flying.
Yeah, guys. What are we doing? Let's get those teams coming down. I know a lot of people are waiting. They're like, oh, if the downtown comes out, blah, blah, blah. But I'm telling you, look at all this other good stuff here. Harold Fannin and our pink laser is Cam Miller. Boo. Cam Miller, Raiders, numbered to 99. Taj Brooks and Keon Coleman. This dude got dragged this week. Dragged.
I'll be honest with you. I don't think
Although Joe Brady came out and defended him. Joe Brady just yesterday made a statement to defend him. He's like, this kid got a raw deal. He's doing everything he can do.
Yeah,
you know,
I mean,
they shouldn't be ripping on him like that, which is true.
I don't know why he was a healthy scratch that 1 week.
Late to meetings, I think.
Okay.
He's got a little off-the-field issues. Musical Horn. He's going to have to play lights out to get the MVP while losing. We'll see, Musical Horn. We'll see. Tommy Mellett. Chain Reaction Travis Kelce. Jalen Walker. Caleb Johnson. We got Trevor Etienne again on the blue to 349 for the Panthers. Panthers are doing okay.
Panthers always do good in these breaks.
Mason Taylor. Speaking of the Panthers, here we go again. Jimmy Horn. Jimmy Horn Jr. numbered to 299 for the Panthers. Yeah, Panthers seem to do okay. Marion Hampton up there. We got a purple to 60, and the packet does not want to open. Okay. Cracked ice, flex emoji, purple. Will Howard. Oh, nice. We got a passing grade on the blue cracked ice of Aaron Rodgers. This one should be numbered to 55. Numbered to 55. Aaron Rodgers. Yeah, J-Beer. There you go.
Let's go, J-Beer.
Justin Jefferson. Base card. We got Luther Burden, and our purple is... Wow. This guy just keeps showing up. Eli Manning. Purple to 60. Giants. Giants are having a nice break. Obviously. Carson Swessinger, Christian McCaffrey on the silver. Base. We got DJ Giddens and Jimmy Horn Jr. Panthers again to 199. Who's got the Panthers? Joseph. Joseph's doing okay.
Let's get some teams down, guys. Let's go.
All right, this is the last box of the break, guys. This is the last box of the break. Good luck, everybody. Make sure you're getting in on that next one. The next break is the second half of this case, guys. The second half of this case is up for grabs right now. Here we go. I feel like once this break ends, if the downtown doesn't come out, I gotta believe most of the teams are gonna fly off the board, like as soon as the break ends. All right, we got team logos for the Packers. Pat Bryant, nice. We got our guy Colston Loveland on the hollow rated rookie. We'll put him up. Malachi Starks and Charles Woodson. Oh, that's cool. Charles Woodson on the team logos, numbered to 32. Going to the Packers. That's Joe George. I'll put him up too. That's cool. James Pierce. Devin Neal. Mike Williams to 349 for the Steelers. Jackson Hawes. Xavier Worthy. Orange to 299 for the Chiefs. More cracked ice. I love it. I love it. Okay, here we go. Damian Martinez, Jahad Campbell to 349 for the Eagles. Kyle McCord, and nice. Best Tutties. CJ Stroud and Nico Collins on the blue cracked ice to 55. Going to the Texans. Take that. Jaden Higgins. Ooh, nice. Trevion Henderson. Orange rated rookie to 299 for the Patriots. He'll go up as well. Jahad Campbell. Xavier Worthy. Jordan Watkins, Tez Johnson, James Cook on the red color match to 149 for the Bills. Jackson Dart and Matthew Golden on the primary colors. Derek Harmon, Chris Olave. Kenneth Grant, hidden potential Cam Ward. Jahdae Barron, Darnell Mooney, blue to 249. Trevion Henderson, Tutties, Waddle, and Tua. All right, last 4 packs here, guys. Let's finish it out strong. Jalen Lane, Jalen Walker, Jordan Watkins on the hollow rated rookie autograph, numbered to 199 for the 49ers. Caleb Johnson. Jordan Addison, orange to 299 for the Vikings. Mason Taylor and Chris Godwin. Pink laser, numbered to 99. Going to the Bucks. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the break right there. Still, downtown is still live, guys. Downtown is still live.
Next half case is up, guys.
Yeah, guys, get in that next break. I'm going to do a recap, obviously not of everything, just the stuff that's on the stage here. Congrats to everybody who hit. If you didn't hit, you got to get in on that next half case, guys. The downtown is live. Let's go. Let's do some recap here. James Cook, red to 149. Nice color match there, going to the Bills. Charles Woodson on the team logo to 32. Going to the Packers. Colston Loveland, hollow-rated rookie for the Bears. Tua on the electricity, numbered to 75 for the Dolphins. Sam Darnold to 349 for the Seahawks. We will go with Trevor Lawrence. Trevor Lawrence to 349 for the Jaguars. Jalen Ramsey to 349 for the Dolphins. Patrick Mahomes to 249 for the Chiefs. Let's go with Nick Scorton on the true RPA, numbered to 35. Well, actually, not true RPA. It's just an RPA. To 35 for the Panthers. Devin Neal, hollow-rated rookie auto, numbered to 199 for the Saints. Omarion Hampton, rookie auto, on card, numbered to 350, going to the Chargers. We got Jaden Daniels on the red color match to 149 for the Commanders. Let's go with this. Tedero McMillan, pink laser to 99 for the Panthers.
Colton Miller taking down a spot. Saints down.
James Cook to 50, lime green for the Bills. Couple nice hits for the Bills there. Let's go with Jalen Lane, gold rookie auto on card, numbered 10 of 10, bookends, going to the Commanders. Nice hit, Commanders. Let's go with Puka Nacua on the perennial contenders. Auto, on-card auto, numbered to 99, going to the Rams.
12 boxes in the case, Martinez, and then we're doing 6 boxer next, so case it's still live.
We're going to go Travis Hunter. Travis Hunter on the on-card rookie auto, numbered to 350, going to the Jaguars. I've got Best Tutties. Nico Collins, CJ Stroud, numbered to 55. Cracked ice, going to the Texans. We'll go Cam Ward on the Black Pandora primary colors, numbered to 149 for the Titans. Jalen Waddle on the true Black Pandora, numbered to 25, going to the Dolphins. And then for the Giants, guys, the Giants went bananas in this break. Malik Neighbors on the electricity, numbered to 75, going to the Giants. Malik Neighbors on the Black Pandora chain reaction, numbered to 149, going to the Giants. Eli Manning on the blue cracked ice, numbered to 15, going to the Giants. And the one of one gold vinyl Abdul Carter's Rookie Kings. The only one there is, right here, going to Frost and the Giants. What a freaking hit. One of one gold vinyl Rookie Kings. Would you look at that?
Would you just take a look at it?
Fantastic. All right, congrats to everybody who hit. If you didn't hit in that break, guys, there is the next break. The next break is in